If you are holding XRP, you need to lock in right now. Things are changing, things we have never seen before in the crypto market, and it's about to get very, very interesting. And big things that have never happened to this level are happening to cryptos like XRP right now. We need to get into it. Make sure if you guys hold XRP, you guys love XRP, you give this video a thumbs up, but most importantly, you need to stick around to the end of this video. I have something to share with you that nobody has yet shared with you regarding XRP. Let's get into it. You guys need to lock in. Donald Trump is going absolutely ham, ladies and gentlemen. He is going absolutely crazy. He is doing the things that he said he was going to do for cryptos. So many headlines today, I can't even keep track. Especially today, there was headlines coming out almost every 5 seconds. The market was going absolutely crazy. I mean, if we go to the Bitcoin chart, if we go to the 1 minute time frame, Bitcoin today went absolutely crazy, dumped all last night. And today, as soon as a bunch of headlines came out, pumped, dumped, pumped, dumped. Oh my gosh, this is a 3% moves, guys, up and down, absolutely crazy. I did make a fortune though, shorting all of these little scam pumps. 2,300 on that trade, 1,700, 4,000 on that trade. It's absolutely crazy. You guys can trade over on Blowfin. Use my link below so you guys get a $10,000 deposit bonus, and you also lock in the cheapest fees on the internet with my link. So a lot of pumping and dumping in the market because of these headlines. Look at this. I mean, these are actually very, very bullish. The United States to promote the growth of stable coins. Trump order on crypto to develop national digital asset stockpile. Trump is signing executive orders. And on Friday, I am hearing there's going to be a massive executive order that's going to change everything. And that's going to happen after the market close. This is just the inside info, something that I'm sharing with you. It could happen. It might not happen. Senator Loomis teased a major announcement today this morning. And guess what ended up happening? That she is now becoming the chair of digital asset of the committee. That's very, very bullish as she is pro crypto. She's going to be pushing cryptos like XRP to the moon. So Trump is getting ready to sign a whole bunch of executive orders. Big things are taking place for XRP. There's so many things taking place for XRP. Even RLUSD, its stable coin, the market cap, it's growing. It's at $72 million. That will be worth billions of dollars in the future. And that is going to pump XRP. We have the Ripple IPO. They're going to be coming out with an IPO most likely very soon. That's going to have a profound effect on XRP. We have the ETFs coming out. I mean, I can't even tell you how bullish this is. So many ETF listings and filings for XRP and other coins like Solana and Dogecoin. We're starting to see some filings. This is going to have a tremendous impact on the price of XRP. Look at this. Could XRP go to $15? Could XRP go to $15? Let me know your price prediction for XRP in the comments below. But I'm going to keep it real to you guys. I'm going to keep it completely real to you. $15, yes, quite possible. But let me share with you my thoughts where I think cryptos are likely going to head. And this is something that nobody else is sharing with you. Everyone wants to make you believe, especially on YouTube, for views, that we're just going to pump up to infinity, that XRP is going to $10,000 per coin, $500 per coin, all of which are possibilities in the future. Let's not get it twisted. But where I think XRP is going in the short term is I think XRP is probably going to pull back. I think XRP is probably going to pull back to about $2.60. This is the region that I want to buy XRP. I personally sold all of my XRP near the top here around $3.20 for a 7x gain, 700%. Yes, I bought at 50 cents and I sold at nearly $3.50, which I believe is about a 700% gain. So I locked in those gains because I'm seeing Bitcoin at resistance at all-time highs, kind of weak. The market to me is looking a little weak. It looks like it's going to pull back in the short term. We're getting all this great news, and yet we're pushing and making lower highs. We're getting rejected. These types of signs for me are short-term bearish. When the market pumps up, ladies and gentlemen, 600, 700% for almost 3 years, especially I'm speaking about Bitcoin, but the 700% is XRP, and a lot of altcoins are up 6x, 5x, 6x. These are numbers, guys, that you want to take profits. You don't just want to be holding forever. Maybe that's your strategy, and I congratulate you and bless you on that strategy, but I have a different strategy. I have a different system and a different trading system that I use. My system is not better than yours. Your system is not better than mine. But personally, I buy low and sell high. XRP is very high right now, and I think it's going to go into a discount level around this region of $2.50. I could be mistaken, and yes, we could skyrocket. But if things really start to flip bullish, I'm just going to enter back into the trade. And things are not looking very bullish right now with all this hype of the executive orders and Trump and everything that's taking place. Things are probably going to cool off. And it's like a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Something that we kind of did talk about, predict was a possibility. So personally, with Bitcoin looking weak, we take a look at Dogecoin. I mean, Dogecoin's getting an ETF. Look at how weak this thing looks. It's moving lower and lower and lower. Everything is bleeding out. Altcoins are bleeding out, which is a bearish sign. XRP is one of the strongest altcoins in the entire planet, which is very bullish. XRP is still very bullish. Everything is still very bullish, but in the short term, what I'm expecting is that we're going to be getting a pullback here soon. I could be wrong. I could be right. It doesn't matter. This is what I'm trading. So I'm expecting a pullback here in the short term. If Bitcoin does pull back to the level that I'm speaking of, around $90,000, 88,000, somewhere in this region, XRP will probably most likely hit that $2 to $2.60 region, $2.50, $2.60. That's what I'm thinking. And if Bitcoin finds support, which it could end up bleeding lower, I'm just going to wait for Bitcoin to find support, everything to kind of bottom and hold strong. And then I'm going to be entering back into XRP. When that happens, I'm going to be getting back into XRP, which I think there's going to be another leg up. I think XRP cryptos are going to make one more big, strong leg up, and I think that's going to be the top. So the top for this year could be $4 to $5 for XRP. I was thinking in the higher range last year when XRP was 40, 50 cents, $7 will be the higher range of that price prediction. But things could change and even be a lot more bullish than I am expecting. That could push XRP into $15, $20, even $30 range. That is a possibility. It could happen, but based on the way cycles work, it doesn't really look like it. It looks like things are getting close to topping out. I personally think Bitcoin is going to top out around August 25th, somewhere around there, because that would put every single Bitcoin bull market has lasted about 1,000 days. And if you mark from the bottom, the very bottom, the lowest point of the bear market here, to about 1,000 days, that's going to put us, ladies and gentlemen, to about August 26th, which is what the Pi cycle top indicator for Bitcoin is predicting. And I'm thinking cryptos and altcoins could possibly top before then. Personally, I'm definitely going to be selling this summer. Before the summer, around April, March, I'm definitely going to be getting into all cash again after this next big pump and waiting for a massive big crash or flush and then getting involved again and then selling after the pump. So I'm just looking to buy low and sell high until we reach a bottom. And a bear market always typically lasts about 365 days from the bull market peak to the bottom. That's about 365 days exactly, almost with every single Bitcoin crypto cycle. And after a year, that's where I want to be loading up on XRP and Bitcoin and other cryptos and holding for about 3 years without selling. Make sure you guys are in my Patreon so you know exactly when I'm shorting, you know exactly when I'm getting in and out of the market, you know exactly the meme coins you need to buy, because we get inside info sometimes with coins that do incredible X's. You guys can only get it access first through the Patreon. Highly suggest that you guys are also using ALGOSNIPER. This trading indicator will tell you exactly when to buy, when to sell any crypto. It will tell you when to sell. It will tell you exactly when to buy. Look, you get to sell at the very top of the last bull market. You get to buy and sell at every major move. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for just $1 at algosniper.com. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys get something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.